Who was the daughter of Jacob and Leah? Who was the daughter of Saul and wife of King David? Who was the daughter of David and sister of Absalom, who was mistreated by her half-brother? Who was the daughter of Laban and the beloved wife of Jacob? Who was the daughter of Levi and the sister of Moses and Aaron? Who was the daughter of Aiah and the mother of Rizpah's sons with King Saul?